So Indian Coast Guard is called for number of vacancy, okay, job notification for 322 job vacancies. So last day to submit the application online is 4/1/2022. Start of the application is 4/1, okay, starting date is 4/1/2022. Application opening date is 4/1/2022. So official website is joinindiacoastguard.cdac.in, okay, it's official website. Okay, so is the eligibility conditions, okay, invited for male Indian citizens possessing the education qualification and age prescribed below. The recruitment to the post of Navy General Duty, Navy Domestic Branch and Yanstrik Indian Coast Guard and Armed Forces of Union. Okay, the educational qualification of this one is Navy General Duty is 10th 12th passed maths and physics from the education board. Navy Domestic Branch is 10th class passed, okay. Yantrik is 10th class passed from the educational board, recognized council board or school education, or 10th class passed from the educational board, recognized by council of boards of school education. Okay, so list of equivalent diploma for recruitment of Yantrik cadre in electrical, mechanical, okay, electrical, mechanical and electronics, telecommunication, radio power engineering, okay, branch mentioned. So here electrical and electronics power system, marine engineering system, advanced electronics, electric and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, okay, mechanical engineering production, mechanical engineering automobile, mechanical engineering refrigeration air conditioning, mechanical engineering repair and maintenance, production engineering, ship building, okay, this is the mechanical side. So electronics engineering, electronics fiber optics, electronics electrical engineering, electronics telecommunication, control. So the diploma side is electrical and electronics engineering, electrical instrumentation, electrical engineering electronics, and electronics industrial control, instrumentation control, power systems. So selection process is based on the stage 1, 2, 3 and 4, totally 4 stages, okay. So stage 1 is Navy Domestic, Guard Domestic, Yantrik electrical, Yantrik electronics, Yantrik is mechanical, okay. So selection 1, selection 2 and 3, selection 1 and 3, selection 1 and 4, selection 1 and 5, okay. So passing marks, okay, there is passing marks, okay. Next is selection 1, okay. Selection 1 is maximum mark is that 60, 20 max, passing mark is 30, class 10th syllabus, okay. Section 2 is maximum marks 50, max and physics 20, class is 12th and physics syllabus. Section 3 is maximum mark is 50, electrical engineering 20, is diploma level electrical engineering syllabus. Section 4 is maximum mark is 50, electronics engineering 50. Section 5 is maximum marks 50, mechanical engineering 50, so diploma level mechanical engineering syllabus, okay. Step 5 is diploma level engineering. Stage 2 is based on the performance in the computer based online examination. The merit list will be prepared and e-admit card for second stage 2, okay. The diploma document verification. Stage 3 is based on the performance in stage 1 and 2. India merit list will be prepared and e-admit card for stage 3, okay. Final medical and medical test, okay. Final medical test, final medical examination for all selected candidates will be done at INS Silka, okay. Candidates who are not found medically fit in the final medical examination will be not enrolled in training, okay. This is the official website, joinindiacoastguard.edac.in. So how to apply is the online only 4 January 2022, 14 January 2022. So you can login is joinindiacoastguard.edac.in. So this is the official website. So mail IDs, mobile number and at least up to 31 December 2022. So document, compulsory document for applying, okay, passport size photograph, okay, candidate sign and signature, candidate clear left hand thumb, photo ID proof, 10th mark sheet, 10th class certificate, scanned handwritten declaration, service certificates, okay. Examination fee is 250 only. Exam fee, second stage is exempted, and 250 for only 250 for other candidates. So tentative examination date, examination city is only 30 km from our surrounding place, okay, only 30 km distance only exam place. So tentative examination date is stage 1 is March 22, stage 2 is May 22, stage 3 and 4 is August, October and August 2022. Medical standard is just weight, hearing, okay, height is 157 centimeter, okay, must 157 centimeter. So last date for the online application 14 January 2022. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.